We know robotic systems are the backbone of industries like manufacturing, aerospace, and automotive. In precision manufacturing, even the smallest error can lead to costly misalignments. But how do you ensure your robots are operating at the highest levels of accuracy? SARCA, Hexagon SpatialAnalyzer Robot Calibration Appliance, is how. My name is Brian Burton. I'm the CEO of ATT Metrology Solutions. So when we think of calibration, obviously everyone knows that robots are inherently very repeatable, but they're lacking accuracy, and this affects the quality of many applications that robots are used for, whether it be assembly or cutting or grinding operations or even welding. And these inaccuracies cause quality defects in the parts that are being made. What SARCA does is it utilizes a series of poses. Calibrations can be performed in a wide range of zones that span different working volumes and different payload and end effector configurations. And it stores that information through a calibration routine so that it teaches the robot a better understanding of itself through this intrinsic calibration. That data is then stored on a controller that lives with the OEM robot controller to then feed an offset or correction to the planned path that is being sent to the robot controller. Imagine two parts that have to fit perfectly but don't, because a robot's drilling is off by just 2 millimeters. SARCA completely changes robot calibration. By integrating advanced metrology devices like laser trackers with the power of SpatialAnalyzer, SARCA improves robot accuracy by a factor of 10, transforming a 2 millimeter error into just 0.2 millimeters.
And with its move, measure, correct function, SARCA accuracy of 50 microns is achievable.
Here's how it works. SARCA uses a metrology system to precisely measure the robot's end effector position during a series of programmed poses. These measurements capture the robot's actual movements, identifying deviations across its working volume. SARCA doesn't just calibrate the robot. By dividing the workspace into zones, SARCA creates a detailed kinematic model that compensates for errors specific to each area. This ensures unparalleled accuracy even in complex or loaded environments. Once calibration is complete, the metrology device is no longer needed. SARCA stores the error corrections directly in the robot's controller, integrating seamlessly with its native programming language. And SARCA doesn't just match native robot software's capabilities, it surpasses them. The calibrated robot model adjusts the goal positions of the native robot code, compensating for errors in real time. This means every motion is optimized for maximum precision. The result? Perfectly aligned holes and parts that fit seamlessly, enabling precision assembly and eliminating costly rework. Supported by leading robot brands like ABB, Fanuc, and KUKA, SARCA is the only solution for industries demanding the highest levels of accuracy, from aerospace to automotive to advanced manufacturing. Unlock your robot's true potential with SARCA, Hexagon SpatialAnalyzer Robot Calibration Appliance. Robots have always been repeatable. SARCA makes them accurate.